Minecraft. Only got 20 cobble in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a diamond. This game's freaking awesome. I walk up to the village, I go, what up? I got a big flock now. Put the sheep out of the hole for the straight shot. Ice on the ground, keeps the snowman frosty. The Jeppy like, damn, let's go honky. Mine it down hella deep, everything I'm on, I keep just in all leathers and my iron boots. So the free getting dark, hard to see. Mobs spawning constantly. Should've placed more torches though. Creepers woke up next to me. Looks like I'm starting again. Crafting them out, I'm about to go and make a wooden picker, passing up on some iron, cause these zombies get my block on it. Taking under like a man, I'm pillaging diamonds, just saving my iron, and I'm hella happy that I found this chest. Digging down a quarter mile, not real. Check the map, I'm all the way to the background. Now I made it! Chain my iron suit and a diamond pickaxe. Prayed for all these emeralds that I found digging. The zombies had some carrots, I took a couple carrots. Supposed to be sleeping, so pieces with my parents. Hello, just crafted a bed though. Mom's won't be spawning up in this game, hell no. I can find some redstone, lick it up tomatoes. The news on here would be like, I got dirt. I'm gonna play Minecraft, only got 20 cobble in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a diamond. This game's freaking awesome. I'm gonna play Minecraft, only got 20 cobble in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a diamond. This game's freaking awesome. What you know about taming a wolf with an old bone? What you know about finding a new biome? I'm digging, I'm searching with the vision. One more torch, cause the zombies I'm spawning, and I ain't mad even if they keep on coming up here, cause right now I'm pillaging dungeons. I'm in the mouse if you can find me with a pick. I'm not sucking to find writing on the pick. Granny, auntie, mommy, and mammy, I'll take the shimmy iron jammies from your man and rock that mother. You know the boost like the socks on that mother. I walk into town and stop in that mother. They're like, oh dude, that armor's hella tight. I'm like, yo, it's 18 emeralds for a chest piece. Limited edition, resistance of electrician, 18 emeralds for a chest piece, is a kid. I call that getting swindled and pimped. I call that getting stripped by business. I'm a hella dough. And paying these emeralds to the man in the village is a hella dough. Cheap game, I'm gonna find some more diamonds though. Crafted it on my own like a man, did it on my own. You will play Minecraft. Awesome. I'm gonna play Minecraft. Only got 20 cobble in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a diamond. This game's freaking awesome. My road is paved with gold. It looks incredible. I'm gonna dig a moat for my mansion down the road. My road is paved with gold. It looks incredible. I'm gonna dig a moat for my mansion down the road. I'm gonna play Minecraft. Only got 20 cobble in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a diamond. This game's freaking awesome.